Alright, now let's hook up the camera here. I've already done that. So this is the camera input cable that came with the kit. Alright, so the only two things we need to use here, we don't need to use any of these. We only use the rear camera input video input and the purple wire. So when the car is in reverse, the purple wire will have 12-volt power the camera. So here's the camera cable. One is really long, it's go all the way back to the trunk, right? And then so here's our camera sitting on top of the stereo there. So you use old one. Alright, that's all there is to it. Let's see if it works. So now the car's on, we're gonna put it in reverse. Here you go. Alright, I think it's upside down or something. Anyway, alright, so now we got the camera working. Let's have even more fun, add another camera. So remember the interface has two video input. This is the one we already hooked up earlier. That's the front camera input, which is powered by the yellow cable. So for testing purpose, I add a second camera to this. Alright. So the second camera is powered by the red 12 accessory. So when the car is on, the module output 12 volt on this one here constantly. So I'm just using a different camera for testing purpose, right? I'm gonna face the front. Let's see if that works. Alright. So rear camera on reverse. So the front camera is powered by two ways. So now we're set it to it's set to DVR mode. So what that means, you can turn it on by using this.
Navigation is not active.
Here you go. So the front camera here controls the button controls the front camera. And then you can turn it off by holding on to this for a couple seconds. Navigation button.
Navigation is not active.
Now I go back to the regular screen.